Why so much security for raw dirt? Quality control starts at the very first gate.
It starts with crushing them to a specific 2-inch diameter.
The thermal reading is steady at 50 degrees per hour. Good, maximum tensile strength achieved. Ready for transfer.
Why sandblast a brand new rail? To ensure the paint sticks for 20 years.
All right, easy now, bring it down slow, watch your spacing. Clear on the left. Got the alignment pin ready?
Why not weld the frame? Bolting allows the frame to flex without cracking under pressure. Why so many leaves? To absorb the shock of America's toughest roads.
Why wash steel before painting? Even a single fingerprint can cause the paint to bubble and rust.
Deionized water rinse. Conductivity monitoring under 50 microsiemens for 0 residue. Is normal water good enough? No. Only mineral-free deionized water ensures a perfect bond.
How many gallons of red? It takes 5 gallons of premium enamel to cover this much steel.
Why different colors? It's a life-saving code. Red always carries the emergency air for the brakes.
How much air does it hold?
Enough to stop an 80,000-pound load even if the engine dies.
Hold it steady. Bring it down slowly. We're clear on this side. Pins engaged. Looks good.
How do you stop 40 tons? With massive friction surfaces and the power of compressed air.
Phase 1 audit complete. Signing off on the tablet now. Build sheet matches the assembly perfectly.
How do you balance 3,000 pounds of steel? With a laser-guided crane and 3 expert sets of eyes. Why are the mounts made of rubber? To keep the engine's massive vibrations from rattling the drivel's teeth out.
How do you cool a 15-liter engine? With a radiator large enough to cool 3 standard houses.
With the CAN bus connected, the engine and transmission can now communicate 1,000 times per second. That's 150 gallons per tank, 300 total. Enough fuel to drive from New York to Florida without stopping.
It's lighter, it never rusts, and it's easier to shape into that classic W900 look.
Firewall insulation complete.
Confirmed. Move to the floor panels. Inside the Diamond VIT interior, you'd never know you're in a heavy-duty machine.
Easy, easy. Hold it steady right there. Now bring it down slow. Watch the mounts.
How much dirt can it hold? This filter can trap a cup of microscopic dust before it ever touches the engine's bearings.
Power systems check complete. We are fully green. Looks good from here. Roll into the wheel bay. Easy now, bring it down slowly. Looks aligned on my side. Okay, drop the pins.
Why 24.5 inches? Larger wheels mean fewer revolutions per mile, saving fuel and tire wear.
Rotate it slightly counterclockwise for alignment.
Perfect. Securing the straps now. Hear that? Sounds amazing. Why analog? Because when you're 500 miles from nowhere, a needle is the most trusted source of truth.
Brake engagement at 30 psi. No pull to the left.
Confirmed. Pads look good. Now for the steering check.
Final sign-off complete.
Let's hit the road!
Is it lonely? With satellite radio and a luxury sleeper, the W900 is more of a studio apartment than a vehicle.
DPF status looks good, right within spec.
Confirmed. The 25,000-mile check is complete.
How much dirt can it hold? This filter can trap a cup of microscopic dust before it ever touches the engine's bearings.
Why wash the bottom? Road salt is the silent killer of steel frames. A $50 wash can save $10,000 in rust repairs. Nitrogen molecules are larger than oxygen, so they don't leak out as fast, keeping tires at the perfect pressure longer.
Why does the door sound so solid? It's designed with a double seal system and aircraft-grade aluminum for a bank vault feel.
We put 10 hours of detailing into her, and it paid off. This old girl proves you can haul heavy all week and still take home best in show on Saturday.
See how the 14,000 slides through there. That's exactly where we want the intake.
And the exhaust.
We'll set that to 27. Precision is everything here.
Congratulations on reaching this incredible milestone.
Thank you. It's an honor to drive a truck built to last.
It's not just a truck, it's a Kenworth. Built to last, built to lead, and built to come home.